Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 1st of July 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.12%, settling the day at 39,118.86 while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,723.83, falling 0.76%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 39,654.86 and Hang Seng is trading at 17,718.61. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,133, indicating a muted start for the Indian market. FII sold 23.09 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. The excitement of Team India's win at the T20 World Cup 2024 seems to be unending and brands were quick to jump on the victory train. ITC reports 24% rise in 1 crore rupees plus salaries amid expansion and profit surge. Now talking about global aspects, the Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index in the US was unchanged in May from April. The University of Michigan consumer sentiment for the US was revised higher to 68.2 in June. The official NBS manufacturing PMI in China stood at 49.5 in June, holding steady for the second straight month. WTI settled lower by 0.24% to $81.54, while Brent settled up 2 cents at $86.41 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 105.29. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.39%, up. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices had a positive week, with the Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty reaching all-time highs of 24,174 and 53,180, respectively, before closing the week at 24,010 and 52,342. This marked gains of 2.17% for the Nifty 50 and 1.32% for the Bank Nifty. The Nifty 50 extended its winning streak to 4 consecutive weeks, while the Bank Nifty has posted gains for 7 consecutive weeks. Outlook for the day. On the weekly chart, the index has formed a significant bullish candle that completely engulfs the previous week's candle and closed above its high, signaling a bullish bias. The pattern suggests that if Nifty surpasses and holds above 24,200, it could attract buying interest, pushing the index towards levels of 24,500 to 24,700. Conversely, a drop below 23,800 could lead to selling pressure, potentially driving the index towards 23,600 to 23,400 levels. For the upcoming week, we anticipate Nifty to trade within the range of 24,600 to 23,600 with a positive bias. According to the chart pattern analysis, if Bank Nifty manages to breach and sustain above the 52,500 mark, it is likely to attract buying interest, potentially propelling the index towards levels of 52,800 to 53,000. Conversely, a drop below the 52,200 level could trigger selling pressure, pushing the index towards 52,000 to 51,800 levels. Looking ahead to the upcoming week, our expectation is for Bank Nifty to trade within the range of 53,200 to 51,800 with a positive bias. Stocks on radar are CDSL, Cholamandalam Financial Holdings, Solara, JK Tyre. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.